Today is Thursday. That means we're back in nutrition educator Lynn Matava's kitchen. Today she is cooking up an easy stir-fry meal that you can make in under 5 minutes. Check it out.
Today I'm going to show you a quick, easy, plant-based meal that is has such little effort involved. You're going to absolutely love this. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a bag of slaw from the store. You can get the coleslaw that's the cabbage based, or you can get the one that's broccoli based, or they even make some that have kale and other things mixed in. You can mix and match them. You can make more than one if you have a whole group of people to feed. But basically I have been just stir frying this for a little bit. I sprayed the pan with a little bit of nonstick spray. You can add a little bit of sesame oil to kind of give it a traditional stir fry flavor. And then as it is starts cooking along and getting nice and like it's softened, but you still want it a little crispy, I can scoot it over in the pan. And I'm making way to add in a scrambled egg here. Totally optional ingredient, but a lot of times when you get stir fry it has an egg in. It's a great source of protein to throw in, nice economical source. And I'm gonna go ahead and add that egg in. And then, you know, as it gets cooking, I will give it a little bit of a stir. Then after that gets completed, what you can do is you can add in a little bit of soy sauce. You could always add some of those store-bought stir-fry sauces or something like, you know, a teaspoon of teriyaki even, whatever seasonings you wanted to add. I've got some sesame seeds here, and I love sesame seeds in my stir fry. And then you could basically add whatever protein you wanted to this. If you wanted to add something in addition to egg, you could add some tofu. You could add, I've got leftover pork from Saturday's dinner. Not Saturday's dinner, but you know, whatever, I'm just using a day of the week. Leftover pork from a meal. You could use grilled chicken or whatever you have that you want to throw in here. You throw it in and then keep stir frying everything together. My egg's taking a little bit of time to cook here. Now I can add in my protein, and then basically that's it. We have a healthy plant-based meal, veggie-based meal. You could use this for a very, healthy side, and it's something that costs about $2 to make with one of those bags and is done in, under 3 minutes. So I hope you enjoy.